Auzu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Today, our topic is about electron microscope, class 11, chapter number 1. So, we will start. First of all, we will talk about electron microscope. What is electron microscope? Why is it called electron microscope? First of all, we will discuss that. Electron microscope, it is the type of microscope in which a beam of electron is used. Beam of electron is used for illumination of object. Okay, the microscope that is in which the beam of electron is used to illuminate the shape, the structure of us organism, maybe what type of organism, maybe virus, maybe organism, mean a small organism, microorganism. Okay, so electron microscope is those microscope in which a beam of electron is used. Okay, so there are two type of electron microscope on the basis of their magnification, on the basis of their resolution, on the basis of their dimensional structure. So there are two type of electron microscope. Number one is TEM. TEM means transmission electron microscope. Okay, the microscope in which we use the beam of electrons, but it shows the internal structure of organism. It shows the internal structure of organism. Okay, so its magnification power is 50,000 time, and its resolution is 0.1 nanometer, and its image dimension, it shows two-dimensional object. For example, there is an object that only show the two dimension, okay, this dimension and this dimension, but not show that too. Okay, so the electron microscope in which a beam of electron is used, but it show a two-dimensional object and show the internal structure of organism. Okay, now come to structure of transmission electron microscope. There is an electron gun. Electron gun is a gun in which a large number of electron present, and which we like rifle electron is going. This one is an electron, and that coming into a sample. For example, there is an electron, a lot of electron coming like this. So sample helps us to make these electron in a specific direction and focus on specimen which present in here. Okay, so this is electron gun, this is electron, there is magnetic lenses. What is the function of magnetic lenses? So the function of magnetic lenses is it is also help us to make these electron into a one direction to focus on a specimen. Okay, and there is electron magnetic lens, and that helps us to make the electron in a special direction, that is direction which is related with the direction which is a special direction which on a specimen. Okay, and there is a eyepiece, that is a screen. So the electron coming here and radiation will be released, through which radiation there will be image formed. The image size will be increasing because the electron completely passes. When the electron completely passes, there will be a structure, a shape will be increasing more and more time, like 50,000 time, and it show the two objects separately from each other up to 0.1 nanometer, and it show two-dimensional image. So it is eyepiece through which we see the to screen that what about the organism that we see under the microscope. Okay, so now come to the second type of electron microscope, which is called SEM, scanning electron microscope. There is also contained on electron guns, magnetic lens, and so a small differences I will tell you later. There is electron gun, there is magnetic lenses, and there is a screen. Maybe here maybe gold are present. The element that not take electron, that is what is a native, and chemistry we call noble atom. So here will be one noble atom. So when electron come, so this noble atom will again deflected this electron. When this electron deflected like this, and then these deflected electron going in here and coming to screen, and there will be a small organism which show like this. This is known as electron microscope. Its magnification power is half is compared to transmission electron microscope. Half magnification is compared to transmission electron microscope. Its resolution is 20 nanometer, and it show, remember this, it show a three-dimensional image to us from three direction. Okay, so that's our today was topic about electron microscope and its type, and in another video we will be discuss about the technique used and cell biology. So okay student, see you in next video.